to my mom and say,
"Are you Ciara? Oh my God, are you Ciara?"
And then my mom, I'm over here looking at my mom like, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a video or a story time about how this dude thought my mom was Ciara. Like, it's crazy, okay? Like, the whole situation was crazy. It was so much going on that day, okay? So if you're new to my channel, you should totally subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for coming back, okay? It was Halloween, and when I was younger, we didn't like going trick-or-treating in our neighborhood, so we would go to this bomb neighborhood. It was a big old neighborhood, and it was across from the Mercedes-Benz. It was across from the Mercedes-Benz dealership, and it was a big old neighborhood, and we would literally go there and go trick-or-treating because they had the best candy, they had the best houses displayed, like decorations and everything. They had people popping up out the grounds and stuff in front of the yard. Like, it was crazy, okay? I don't know what I was. I think I was a bumblebee or something. Like, I was like 7 or 8, and we had went to this neighborhood, and we had went trick-or-treating. You know, walked around, walked to a lot of houses that had like 2 big old bags of candy. Like, it was lit. It was amazing, okay? Right after we had left, this is going to be a short story time because, I mean, it's just crazy. But right after we had left, I think we had went walking around the neighborhood for like 2 hours, and we had went to, after we left, I guess we had to get some more gas, or my dad went to like the gas station to like get some, went to the gas station to get some, like something to drink or to get some more gas. But I think he had went something, get something to drink or something, because we had parked in the parking spaces. We didn't park at the gas pump. So my mom had her window down, and it was this dude. And this dude, he kept like looking around, like he kept being nosy. Like, he was looking off in the car. He was looking everywhere, like being nosy, you know what I'm saying? My mom had her window down. And then he had the nerve to come up to me, not to me, but to my mom, and say,
"Are you Ciara? Oh my God, are you Ciara?"
And then my mom, I'm over here looking at my mom like, and the dude was just over here like,
"You Ciara? Are you Ciara? Oh my God, yo, I think I met Ciara."
first of all, let me get some stuff straight, okay? We live in Florida. We live in Jacksonville, Florida. What's Ciara gonna be doing up at a gas station in a Ford Expedition in the front passenger side? What is she doing here in a Ford Expedition in the passenger side with her window down? Like, if anything, she probably riding like a Cadillac or a GMC or like, you know, them celebrity cars. What is she doing at the gas station? Second of all, are you drunk? Are you high? Like, are you on drugs or something? Because my mom literally does not look one bit like Ciara. Like, she doesn't look nothing like Ciara, okay? So like, I don't know what he had going on in his head, what was going on with him, like, but he really thought that my mom was Ciara. And I'm just sitting in the back of my bumblebee costume eating my candy, because you know I had bags for days of candy. Yeah, he was just sitting there. My mom's like, "No, I'm not Ciara." He's like, "Oh, my bad, I'm sorry, my bad, I didn't know, oh my gosh." And he just walked away, okay? And then my dad came out. Like, what if my dad would have saw this? What would he have done? Wow, y'all, I'm in the foster care room of my house, because you know we foster, but we don't have any foster kids right now. But literally there's bite marks on the blinds. Like, there's bite marks on the blinds. These foster kids was biting the blinds. Like, there's teeth marks. Oh my God. Wow. Okay, but back on topic. My dad came And then yeah, we told him what happened and he laughed. And yeah, but literally that's not the only time that we've been what is it called, catcall? Is it called catcall? We were at another gas station, and this has nothing to do with Ciara. This is like another story time. We were at another gas station, and then I was sitting in the back seat. We were in, I forget what part of Florida. I might put the name on the screen. I might put the name on the screen like right up here or something. But we were in some part of Florida. We were coming back from my auntie's house, and there was these dudes in this car, and my mom let her window up, okay, because these people be seeing her and they be thinking that she's somebody, and it's just crazy, okay. So she had her window down. She was like, this dude tried to holler at her and said, is she single, or like, is she with somebody? And then she told them that she was with her husband, my dad. Like, he was trying to holler at my mom. And then I don't know how he saw me in the back seat, but he was like, and then he asked her mom, he was like, who is the person in the back seat? Is she single? Like, they was really thirsty. Like, they was thirsty, you know what I'm saying? Like, they didn't even know how old I was. Like, I was like 5, 7, 9. I was one of those ages. They didn't know how old I was. They was just really wanted somebody, okay? And then my mom was like, that's my daughter. And they were like, oh, literally them. This is literally them. They were like, oh. And they let the window up slowly, like oh my, it was so funny. And yeah, so those are the story times about how people were trying to holler at my mom. They thought that she was Ciara. Like, I don't know about my mom don't look like Ciara. Like, she literally does not like Ciara. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this story time. It was a quick little story time. I thought it was funny. I'm over here. I'm gonna put my following links over here. I'll put my video, the subscribe button right here. But wait. Okay, now you can actually click the subscribe button in the video that was filmed previously. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you